Feeling a little bit muggy outside actually for the first time in a while. We had super dry air earlier this week. Right now we're at 75 degrees and we do have our winds rather breezy. So that's something you'll notice when you step outside. If you have not yet this afternoon, our temperatures you can see getting into the upper 70s in some spots, and tomorrow will be warm too. But we do have that cold front on the way. Ahead of that, look at these strong winds with the gusts near 30 miles per hour. And our live radar just showing a little bit of very small shower activity. Washington Parish, the outskirts of Pearl River County in Mississippi. Most of us, though, are just seeing the mix of clouds with sun. This is our visible satellite, just kind of taking a picture, of course, from space. And some of us have a little less cloud cover than others, but we are going to see mostly cloudy conditions today, tonight, and really into tomorrow, too, ahead of our next system and our front that will get a big push across our area. In the meantime, though, around our high that we have out to the northeast and we have low pressure centers off to the west, we're really seeing that moisture increasing from the Gulf of Mexico across really the whole Gulf Coast at this point. A little bit of light shower activity over into Texas, too. And that will be really the story today. Our temperatures staying in the middle 70s this afternoon, breezy and warmer with about a 30% chance for a few more stray showers, just light stuff passing south to north. Our local weather expert forecast for those of you in Ponchatoula and Tangipahoa Parish will say mid to upper 70s today after we were looking at that big cool down over the weekend and another one coming up for this coming weekend. Now tonight we're looking at the possibility for a little bit of patchy fog. Note Port Fourchon with our fogcast maybe showing some lowered visibility by tomorrow around sunrise, but we may also keep enough wind up tonight to bring our fog potential down. So just plan just in case, maybe for some patchy fog for early commuters tomorrow morning. Lows tonight, not super cool, in the 60s. And then we do have the chance for a few showers. And again, note the south-southeast winds still up to about 15 plus miles per hour tonight. So we'll move through precision cast now. You can glance at the screen and kind of see the rain potential for this evening. 9 p.m. This model wants to have some scattered showers in the area. 7 a.m. tomorrow, pretty quiet. Again, maybe some patchy fog, kind of another humid, mild sort of start. Then we'll fast forward to 2 p.m. Still looks pretty quiet across our area, but here we go. A couple of showers and storms starting to form out to the west. 5 p.m. tomorrow even might be sort of quiet for many spots, but the rain will not be far off by that point. This model wants to put the rain here after sunset, 7, 8 o'clock, something like that. And then it brings the line off to the east as we head into tomorrow night. Friday morning, starting off chilly and breezy, some cloud cover still there. And then I brought it all the way to the Friday night time, 8 p.m. A lot of us out on the parade routes at that time. We'll have some clouds and it will be chilly and breezy. Temperatures falling from the 50s into the 40s. Now, as we know, we've been saying for several days now, tomorrow will also bring a low end risk of severe storms. Note that New Orleans and the North Shore are in this level 1, the marginal risk of severe storms for tomorrow when the line does get here a little farther north, and you're up to level 2 out of the 5 risk levels. So what we'd be watching for really is a few high wind gusts, maybe a couple of isolated tornadoes. So a few tornado warnings not out of the question second part of the day tomorrow, but we should see it passing through pretty fast. So the threat will be ending as we get into the evening and nighttime hours. So big bullet points on what to expect Thursday afternoon and evening. Rain totals maybe up to about an inch, possible for severe storms, mainly farther to the north. And really that outlook is going to be even higher the farther north you go into Mississippi and Alabama, away from our part of the area. Parade forecast, here we go. Friday night 40s, Saturday 50s, and then Sunday we'll be looking for the warmest day. A little bit of a breeze each day, starting from the north on Friday, gradually becoming easterly on Sunday. And I know everyone's talking about next week's parade forecast, so things can change, but this is the general idea. Starting Wednesday, Thursday muses, Friday getting into the kind of big part of Carnival. Warm midweek next week, rain maybe on Thursday, but it does look like we might be drying out Friday and Saturday. Now it looks like we might have a cold front moving in next Sunday and Monday, so that would mean maybe some rain somewhere in that time frame, but then possibly some chillier weather for Mardi Gras. But it's too far out really to say for sure at this point. Things could change once you get to that 7-8 day mark, and farther out things do tend to change. So we'll keep you updated, of course, but we already have our eye on it and we'll be watching it as we get into the rest of the Carnival season.
It's getting exciting. Thank you very much, Alexandra.